In this lecture, I am going to discuss on the topic Y parameters of two-port network. From this lecture, you learn what are the Y parameters and how to calculate the different Y parameters value for a given two-port network. Y parameters also known as the admittance parameter, as admittance is calculated by dividing the current by voltage. All the Y parameters are calculated by dividing current variable by voltage variable. That's why the Y parameter is also known as the admittance parameter. The figure shows a two-port network. The two-port network is represented by Y parameter. The black box shows 4 Y parameters: Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22. Here two-port network has 4 variables: V1, I1, V2, I2, input port voltage V1 and I1, in output port voltage V2 and output port current I2. So for Y parameter representation, I1, I2 are the dependent variables and V1, V2 are the independent variables. So I1, I2 are represented in terms of V1 and V2. We can write I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, which is shown in equation 1, and I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2, which is shown in equation 2. Equation 1 and equation 2 can be represented in matrix form. So in matrix form, current matrix equal to admittance matrix into voltage matrix. The current matrix represents input port current I1 and output port current I2. The admittance matrix represents 4 admittance parameters: Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22. And the voltage matrix represents the input port voltage V1 and output port voltage V2. The equation 1 and equation 2 are needed when you go for calculating the value of Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22. From equation 1, we can say to find out the value of Y11, we have to make the second part 0. To make the second part 0, we have to make V2 equal to 0. To make V2 equal to 0 means we have to short circuit the output terminals or output port. So when V2 equal to 0, from equation 1 we can write Y11 equal to I1 by V1. And when V2 equal to 0, from equation 2 we can write Y21 equal to I2 by V1. So when V2 equal to 0, we are getting the value of Y11, Y21. Similarly, when V1 equal to 0, we will get the value of Y12 and Y22. So by making these two conditions, V1 equal to 0, V2 equal to 0, we are getting the value of Y11, Y21, Y12, Y22. So from this example, you will understand how to calculate the different Y parameters value. Here a two-port network is shown in the figure. V1 is the input port voltage, I1 is the input port current, V2 is the output port voltage, I2 is the output port current. So to find out the value of Y11, Y21, we have to short circuit the output terminals to make V2 equal to 0. When V2 equal to 0, V1 equal to 20 I1. From this figure, we are getting this equation, and IA equal to 5 by 25 I1. So equation 2 we are getting by using the current division rule. IA equal to 5 by 25 I1. So put the value of IA in equation 1. We are getting Y1 equal to I1 by V1 equal to 1 by 4 Siemens. So from this figure we can say V1 equal to the voltage drop across 5 ohm resistance. As the output terminals are short circuited, now the I2 current is flowing in the opposite direction. So V1 equal to minus 5 I2. So I21 equal to I2 by V1 equal to minus 1 by 5 Siemens. So to calculate the value of y22 and y12, we have to short circuit the input terminals to make V1 equal to 0. So when V1 equal to 0, the circuit becomes this circuit. So from this circuit we can write V2 equal to 15 Ix, 15 into Ix, and Ix equal to 5 by 25 I2. This we are getting by using the current division rule. Substitute the value of Ix from equation 4 into equation 3. We are getting Y22 equal to I2 by V2 equal to 4 by 15 Siemens. So from the figure we can say V2 equal to the voltage drop across the 5 ohm resistance. See here, as we short circuited the input terminals, V1 becomes 0 and I1 is flowing in the opposite direction. So when I1 is current in the opposite direction, the V2 equal to minus 5 into I1. So Y12 equal to I1 by V2, that is equal to minus 1 by 5 Siemens. So by making V1 equal to 0 and V2 equal to 0, we are getting the 4 Y parameters value.